Hello guys, hello everyone. It's your boy friend Bosley Kinara again. Today I've just toured my shamba. As you can see, the weeding process is continuing. Here we planted maize and beans. So guys, as you can see, weeding process, as I told you in my previous videos, we do plow manually using a jembe or a fork jembe, and as you can see, the crops are in good health. And there is another portion here which we have already plowed the first round. Crops are in good health, and what is expected now is that we need to put fertilizer. I think fertilizer is needed because, as you can see, there's a lot of rain now, and we do things gradually after plowing or weeding out weeds. In the first round, we do input fertilizer, and then we plow again and the top dress, and now we just wait for harvesting. It's a good moment when we do farming. You know, in the village life, nothing goes on without food, and you know, in Kenya, East Africa, our staple food is ugali. So we have to plant maize. You can see here there's the portion which I planted napier grass for cows, and here again you can see there's another portion of shamba which I planted it, though it was just a late moment, but still the maize have not grown, have not come out, but we are just waiting. It takes just, I think, a week, 7 days plus for maize to come out. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please just like my videos, subscribe and share. And I thank all my YouTube family for your support, for watching my videos, and God bless you guys. So today it was just a nature walk. You know, when you are in the village, this is what we do. This is what we do, guys. You have to farm. You have to farm. There are some parts which you can see. There is maize which have just come out, and we just continue with the process of plowing. I told you in my previous videos, we don't like using pesticides or herbicides, or mostly herbicides. We don't use herbicides because in our place there are no pests which attack our crops, and we thank God for that. So guys, thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day wherever you're watching this video from.